In this video, I will show you how to recursively delete all files of a specific extension in the current directory using the terminal in Ubuntu. Let's get started. First, open the terminal. You can press Ctrl, Alt, and T together, or you can search for terminal in your applications. Now go to the folder where you want to delete files. To do that, use the cd command. For example, if your files are in the Downloads folder, type cd-downloads and press Enter. Next, we will use the find command. This command helps us search for files. To delete all files with a certain extension, like a log, type this command showing on the screen and press Enter. Let me explain the command. Find means search in the current folder and all folders inside it. Type F means find files only, not folders. Name *.log means look for files that end with .log. Delete tells the system to remove those files. If you want to test the command first and just see which files will be deleted, you can remove -delete and type it in this way you can see on the screen. This will only list the files. It will not delete anything. Once you are sure, you can add -delete again and run the full command. That's it. You have now learned how to delete all files of a specific type from a folder and its subfolders using the terminal. Thank you for watching.